Hello, today we are going to explore how force, work, and energy helps us in day-to-day life. See, in preparatory states from 3 to 5, it's a very much engaging stage where we can make the students to perform some STEM activities and the young learners develop the mechanics of the world around them. You can see the students making types of balloon car, hydraulic lift, magnetic door, hovercraft, etc. Here is a video where the student is explaining about the model. So she is saying that how rolling friction and sliding friction helps. Next is girl is making the catapult. So when we teach about the elastic force, the students play with the ice cream sticks and the rubber band and try to make the
Now,
catapult.
my course is about gravitational force and elasticity. Now I will explain how I make this. Now,
So when we tell about, I mean, how the aeroplanes move, and we really tell them to make the aeroplanes, and they make the aeroplanes on their own. They find out what is the difference in the different types of aeroplane. They make different design and try to find out whether it moves or not. You can see when we teach force, work, and energy and various simple machines with the help of the cardboard, and you can see some notebooks and a small pencil and another book in the form of a inclined plane. They can learn a lot regarding inclined planes and small simple machines. This is related to the sound energy, how the sound vibration can be seen. Next is we always say that the shadow is black or dark, but how to make a colorful shadow with the help of LED lights of different color. So Newton's color disk and how the Newton's color disk if rotated, they form the white color. And why white color? From white color we get all seven colors we learn from this activity. Then how can we take our hand lens and burn the paper using sunlight? They all learn, and this is the ground activity. You can see the light do not bend, but how with the help of laser light and the bottle of water, the light also bend the students are doing. and the multiple reflection is learned by the class 4 students, that how to make a periscope and learn from it. Next, in the lab, they are finding out that what is the weight in the air and then in the water. Then whenever they make the balloon car, we do the race and the students get fun. This is another air exerts pressure where the air moves from the back side of the balloon and the balloon moves in the front when the balloon is attached to a string with a sellotape. This is when the rocks and minerals comes and they study about the rocks and minerals, find out whether any rock floats or sink, what are the different types of rocks. Next is with the help of magnet. We tell the students to play with the magnet, make different types of like pen holder, and then how the magnetic lines work, all these things they learn. Then we give them different mirrors and find out how do they look like through the mirror. When we gave them the project on the soil, they did several activities to find out how we can conserve the soil. Then on acids and bases, they have done the activities that to find out whether which all things are acidic, which all things are basic in nature. And the left-hand side picture shows how to make a screw using simple pencil and the paper and crayon. Then how do the pinwheel moves? They make on their own, and sometimes they find that it's not moving. Then we tell them find out how it moves and why it is not moving. The students find their way, and that's how they learn about this engineering behind it. We take them to the school ground and find out which all plants are there. How do the test of how can we do the test of starch? Then which all food items are good for our health, and through the Google Lens, they can make they can find out which plants, what is the name of the plant, etc. So in the lab, they are doing different activities on density, then solubility. Then this is the activity on how swimming tube helps us to swim, and then the how electromagnet can be made. This is a boy who is very good in technology. He grasps the thing and make his own technology, own model to clean the trash in the sea. This is a homemade fire extinguisher, how we can make, and this is a kind of life skill activity. Then you can see on the related to Earth and universe, they make the model related to volcano and how the mixture of mm, acids and bases mix together and helps it to make the evolution of the gases through the volcano. This is a string puppet and the parachute is made and they had fun. This is on the phases of moon. How sometimes the students do not understand how can we make the phases of how is the phases of moon. And so with the help of simple paper and pen, they make. This is a sprinkler and how why do the same sprinkler gives a cycloidal path. They know through this. You can see they are very much engrossed into the activity and they find out how to do this activity and have fun. This is during Diwali when we say them to decorate the bulletin board. Child made the card using electric circuit, and they are making mathematical rangoli, and how the hot air rises up, and the fan which is there on the top moves, and this is like decoration of the Diwali. Then they are making electric circuits and presenting in a various way, like simple circuit, multiple circuit, etc. Then, whenever we teach them that the candle experiment, that the candle goes away when it is put, the glass is put over it. But here we teach them that how we can modify the experiment using one candle, two candle, or three candles, or more than that, and the size of the vessel to be taken, I mean, smaller to bigger, and find out what is the difference. So this is a Magnus effect, and the students are doing the experiment to find out how the Magnus effect works. These are some of the written work. You can say whenever they do certain project, they used to document it. And this is the activity related to chromatography, and they are doing some model making. This is related to cloth printing, and the students enjoy doing vegetable print, making the mats, etc. This they are collecting the leaves and making it in the form of different animals. And this is a video made by me on lung capacity. Pouring it. I have marked it as 100 milliliter, 200 here in this vessel. This also see the mark is up till 1000, nearer to the 900 and the 1000, that is 950. So my volume of the air expelled by my lungs is 950. So you can see I'm teaching the other teachers and collaborating with them so that they also go to their schools and perform, so that I can help them to explore more. This is a presentation made with the Powtoon, and students learn very well through this.